Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're talking about the one thing that you should do to manifest your SP. And when you do this one thing, they will manifest quickly, easily, effortlessly, instantly. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, my Perfect Self-Concept course, or my Game of Alignment course. Check that all out at Kaminski.com or click the link in the description box down below or in the pinned comments. You are welcome to do the same if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me. Simply go on Kaminski.com, link in the description or in the pinned comments. And if you would like to be a part of Rita Kaminski's collective coaching, just click that join button right next to my name. And if you would like to subscribe to my vlog channel, well, subscribe, because I post daily videos of the behind the scenes, what I do on a day-to-day basis. I just vlogged how I got my hair done and it was so much fun. Finally, I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. The one thing you should be doing is taking disciplinary action by simply affirming your one affirmation about your SP, and affirm it as much as possible until it manifests. We have made it crystal clear and the simplest as possible for you. Even when you doubt, even when you don't believe, even when you feel like shit, whatever, just continue to affirm one affirmation until it comes to light. That's it. No matter if you're feeling bad, no matter if you're feeling good, no matter if you are thinking so heavily against it, continue to affirm in a way where you have your manifestation. And to make it as simple as possible, we're just saying one. Max and I are in a committed relationship together. Whatever rolls off the tongue, whatever you would tell your best friend when this news is out, that should be your affirmation. You just continue repeating it, and I promise to you, it will manifest. Because that repetition, when you're constantly bashing that information into your subconscious mind, it will surpass the non-belief and the resistance, because you're changing your neural pathways. You're continually repeating one thing. You're telling your brain one thing. No matter if you have the doubts, the repetition will override it. Your job is not to focus on the doubts or the resistance. Your job is to simply, like you're clocking in at work and clocking out, you are just affirming like it is your full-time job. Like you are running the business of affirming for this thing 24/7. Whatever the affirmation is. SP and I are married. SP and I are living together. SP is obsessed with me. SP can't stop blowing up my phone. SP and I are constantly going on dates. SP and I are in a permanent honeymoon phase. I have the best sugar daddy in the world. Whatever. Pick one that speaks to you the most, and just, in Russian we say nagla, like audaciously keep saying it with confidence. Decree it. Say it with some balls. Like, okay, imagine your best friend is getting mistreated and you are witnessing it in plain sight. What are you going to do? You're going to get angry. You're going to confidently decree, hey, leave my friend alone. You say it with oomph, more than oomph. Like, if something isn't gonna change right now, I'm going to rock your shit. You have to say it like it's the end of the world, like this is mine right now. Hype yourself up about it in your mind. SP is a motherfucking mine, god damn it. SP is committed to me and only me. SP can't get enough of me. SP is unconditionally in love with me. SP and I's relationship has always been perfect. SP is addicted to my energy, he can't get enough. SP constantly wants to be with me. SP and I are together 24/7 and we love it. We're living our best lives together. If it makes you feel good, go on that kind of rant, that rampage in your mind. Or if you're by yourself, you can do it by yourself, whatever feels right. But I'm honestly making it as easy as possible for you, and I promise this works. Try it. And Keep decreeing it, keep saying it. No matter the non-belief, no matter the doubt, no matter the resistance, no matter feeling like crap, whatever it is that is going against your manifestation, no matter what, it will seep into your mind. So just say it, say it, say it, consistently say it, like it is your job. So the one thing you must do to get your SP instantly and easily is think one affirmation in your mind until you get it, as much as possible throughout the day, whenever you're having doubts, and know that that is enough. And keep on flipping the thought, even when you are having an opposing thought. Consistently think in the way where you are with him in the way that you want to be. And we're doing that by just using one affirmation. Bring yourself back, bring yourself back, bring yourself back. It will happen. It can't not within 3 days. I can't get any more clearer than that. Literally try it, see how it goes. You will be astounded, and you will use this for life, because it is a for life thing. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.